So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add some hyperlinks, whether it's to an email address, a website, referencing another document here on your sheets, or just attaching a file, and also adding a screen tip and getting rid of a hyperlink. So let's get to it. So right here, we're gonna see cell C4, we're gonna right click, hyperlink. We are gonna go to web page file. We're gonna try to attach a file. Put select, we'll go to documents. Let's click this one, let's put open. And let's get rid of this, junk. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna add a screen tip now. And we're gonna put here, say workbook with semi-annual data. So that's gonna just kind of be the quick reference. So that when people hover over it, that's what it shows rather than showing like a whole document name. So push OK. And then let's just say we are going to attach we're going to reference a sheet. So we'll go here, we're going to go to this document, and then we want to reference June sales because it says June sales here. So that way if someone's looking at this, they can just click it and it takes them to June sales. So we'll put June sales right here, and that's it. And then next we are going to attach it to an email or a website. So we're going to go here, we're going to put a hyperlink, and then we're going to go to the web page, and then we're going to type in a web page here. So com, and then we'll go here, and same thing, hyperlink. We're going to attach an email address, so we'll click the email section, and then you can just put your email here, and then press OK, and then that's it. And then right here to remove this hyperlink, you see how it's showing. So right here we just press right click and then put remove hyperlink, and that's it. So now if we wanted a quick reference to the June sales, all we have to do is just click it, and then boom, now it takes us to the June sales. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you do that. Hope you guys liked the video.